All right, as promised, time for those Monday birthdays in the 4 states, and we're going to begin with Cadence Campbell, who's celebrating birthday number 10. Happy birthday, Cadence.
And next we have Wyatt Whitley, who is turning 15 from Chanute.
And we've got Aiden Wilson over in Erie celebrating birthday number 16. Happy birthday, Aiden.
And Luke Jameson, who's turning 18 and a senior at Frontenac.
And Briley Buchanan celebrating birthday number 18 in Jasper. Very happy birthday to you, Briley.
And happy birthday to Blaze Heckert, who's turning 30 from Pittsburgh.
And Roger Dutro celebrating birthday number 61 in Chanute. Great throwback picture there, Roger. A very happy birthday to you.
And Susie Barnes, who's turning 67 from Riverton. And a happy birthday from your sister.
And Linda Leonard celebrating number 75 in Humboldt. A very happy birthday to you, Linda.
Lucille Mitchell, who's turning 95 years young from Chanute. And birthday wishes with Katie, her first great grandbaby.
And we've got Zach and Kelsey Ammerman celebrating their first wedding anniversary in Independence. A very happy anniversary to the Ammermans and to many more ahead of you.
And a happy birthday to Phyllis Ross.
We're also sending birthday wishes to Amy Jones.
And to Cody Spainhauer, happy birthday.
As well as April Hagerman celebrating number 51 in Fort Scott. Happy birthday, April.
And Sandy Stanley from Farleyton, happy birthday.
And Joe and John Allman, 68 years old in Chanute, and Joe and John are twins. So a very happy birthday to you all. All right, Carrie, we love to celebrate with folks. What do they need to do to celebrate with us?
They need to submit their birthdays to KOAMnewsnow.com.
And you can also, of course, do it to that email address you see there. That's birthdays with an S at KOAMnewsnow.com. And hey, you know what? If you're checking out our website, which you have every reason to do that any time of day, take time to sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club. You get some great deals from local businesses, and I think more importantly, you get a special birthday message from your friends here at KOAM. So head over to KOAMnewsnow.com, sign up for that birthday club today.